The mandate of an educational institution can go to as many versions of resolving problems and initiating important projects. But what sets apart an institution which delivers goods of best practices is its consistency to search for breakthroughs in any given situation like passive eras of times of crisis. For this is the home of almost 10,000 students, faculty and administrative personnel. Zamboanga City State Polytechnic College has been gaining grounds for new heights and a stable abode for academic standards and structural empowerment. In the year 2017, the college played witness to the multi-million turnaround infrastructure project to place ZCSPC in the arena of palpable infrastructure upgrade. 102.8 million pesos poured into the institution to replenish its structural limitations in lecture rooms, laboratories, and workshop. This is a version of the government's Build, Build, Build project infrastructure getting its physical manifestation in the very soil of the college. There is a value of consistency for an educational institution to carry through its vision to be in the league of the best polytechnic colleges in Southeast Asia. In its aggressive stature, 4 new buildings and 1 building completion projects started construction in fiscal year 2018 with a staggering cost of 102 million pesos, including a 4 million 2-story building implemented through the DPWH in 2018. In 2019 and in the coming years, the eyes of our stakeholders will be glued to the important vertical structures of the college, to wit, the completion of Academic Maritime Building, Phase 7, refitting of Garments and Textile Building Shop Laboratory, 3-story Social Science Building, 4-story Engineering Building, and Construction Repair Rehabilitation Academic Building or IGB. 2018 will not be remembered with an unprecedented equipment and machineries upgrade for the engineering, technology, and maritime engineering programs, including the procurement of the remarkable 21 million pesos bridge simulator, a highly sophisticated maneuvering simulator which introduces deck cadets to complex realistic simulation environments in the professional maritime live experience. Milestones after breakthroughs, January 2019 is a pivotal year for ZCSPC as it is officially converted into a university by the virtue of the Republic Act 11187, authored by the former Congressman Celso Lorenzo Lobregat, converting ZCSPC into a state university, Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University. In addition to the many significant milestones, ZCSPC left 2019 with a spectacular achievement in research and development. A record-breaking 35 industrial design registrations were produced by the College of Engineering and Technology and the College of Technical Education faculty. The patents, which are slated for transfer of technology and utilization in select communities, were successfully registered with the Intellectual Property Office in December 2019. The bar of excellence did not waver in the onset of 2020 as ZCSPC has embraced digital transformation in teaching and learning. Known as the Massive Open Online Course or MOOC project, the college has embraced the learning technology and platform that is used by 942 top universities in the world. MOOC is a hybrid learning management system which can capture the principles of blended, flipped, and distance education learnings. Because of the MOOC project, the institution's paramount vision to regional and international integration, as well as a crisis-responsive preparedness in terms of teaching learning modalities, is now closer than ever to realization. Just recently, July 6 this year, ZCSPC launched the My E-Class ZCSPC. A 20.6 million peso procurement package was allotted for the learning management system software and broadband upgrade. This is where both the faculty and students can journey the academic experiences that can attest to technological advancement and quality of education. To comprehensively transform the college into a digital institution, it has initiated a software-based enrollment and admission process from a 4.5 million funding from CHED. As they say, the road can be tested anytime. COVID-19 ravaged the world because of its health risks to as many human beings everywhere. ZCSPC responded head-on by pumping up its laboratories and workshops to mass-produce personal protective equipment for the frontliners in Zamboanga City. The college has been a source of inspiration to many government and private institutions to go on the fight the pandemic. Because of its organic creativity, the college successfully won a 15 million peso grant from CHED to further mass-produce PPEs and innovative food for its frontliners and stakeholders. ZCSPC never runs out of innovativeness and responsiveness to the community. It implemented the food production training for its extension services, food packs for the stranded students, healthy snacks for frontliners, 8,000 units of face shields, 7,500 units of face masks, and 100 units of foot disinfect trays. ZCSPC will always be on its toes on whatever climate it may be in. It will continuously glide to the tide of quality and consistency. In fact, it will never forget its blueprint to be compliant to Industry 4.0. The college is investing today for the Education 4.0 that will dominate the learning and professional scenes in the next decade. A 10 million peso project for welding training system is up for actualization through the project. Improving teaching and learning of engineering and technology programs through updating of facilities to produce graduates with technical skills aligned with the requirements of Industry 4.0. Another 10 million peso project is in the works for the enhanced teaching and learning of engineering and technology programs through acquisition of e-learning solution as a flexible response to pandemic and to produce graduates with technical skills aligned with the requirements of Industry 4.0. The monumental achievements of ZCSPC across 3 years of leadership under Dr. Nelson P. Cabral are attributed to the unwavering support of the Board of Trustees of this institution, headed by the unfaltering proactive initiatives and unprecedented dynamism of the Chair of the Board of Trustees, Commissioner Perfecto Alibin. The future landscape of education in the coming years may seem uncertain. ZCSPC is determined to live up to its mandate and its dream to be the leading polytechnic university in Southeast Asia.